Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our Day 6 challenge. If you've not done the previous 5 days, you can find those on my channel, and I've also put the links above or below this post somewhere for you to do. The challenges are meant to build on each other, but you can certainly do them in any order, really. But do them all because it really does build you up for all the moves that we do in my classes typically and gets you ready to move to the beat of the music, which is what we do every single day. So welcome. My name is Kate. You guys, if you don't know me, this is my virtual studio. I teach live classes 4 to 5 days a week pretty much, and they're amazing and awesome, and I hope you choose to join us. And the purpose of this is to help you get ready for a full class by the end of December. So I hope you've been enjoying them so far. Quote of the day, we always do one in my classes. I always have reminders up for you, and look, Christmas decorations are still up. I love it. I'm a very techie person, and bringing my classes online has been a lot of fun. It's been challenging, but it's been a lot of fun. So let's get into it, you guys. Today I want to show you a section from a Piyo workout. And even though this is a section from a Piyo workout, a lot of these moves and this structure is also seen in other formats that I teach. And you're going to find that once you really get the moves, the names of the moves down, all the formats are going to be more familiar to you, as you keep going. So just keep coming back. You're going to learn it all, I promise. So my classes, we have a really awesome setup. We have a front view and a side view here. I'm going to preview the moves for you today. So like I said, this is a section from Piyo, but typically in all the formats that I teach, there is a section that is similar to this, where it is a full body or a total body section. And we're going to go through one today as an example. So in Piyo, we actually have a very signature move called a Piyo push-up, and you're going to see that in this section. We'll practice it a few times. It's a fast-paced push-up where you start vertical, and we start by rolling ourselves down. We roll down, we walk out into plank position, and now here's where you can choose. You can do toes, or you can do knees. You can do tricep push-up where your elbows are pinned in and your triceps are doing the work, or you can do a more traditional wide push-up where your hands are out further. You get to pick your level here, but it is a faster pace. So we do 3 push-ups once we're down here. 1, 2, 3. And then we walk it back. Walk, walk, walk. Roll, roll, roll. 1 squat. That's the pace, but it's faster. It goes like this. Roll it down, roll, walk it out. 3 push-ups. 3, 2, 1 more. Walk back. Roll it up. 1 squat. Yeah, and then we do it again. See, it's to the beat. We go to the beat. That's a Piyo push-up. That'll be our first move. Second move. This is a common position. We did this in our last few challenges, so it should feel familiar. We start in this position where our front foot is facing directly forward. Back foot is about 45 degrees. And our weight's going to be in the front heel. We're going to call this flight. So straight line from your head to that back foot. Arms are nice and strong. We lean into that front leg, knee over the ankle directly. It does not jut forward. It's already starting to burn. And then we fly the arms right, then left. So we come up in that leg a little bit, and then we sink back down. Sink, and then arms up, right, then left. Okay, so that's the flight move with our arms. Then from our flight position, we go into a regular bowler, just tapping back 3 little pulses, and we tap it up. Bowler lunge is a very common position in the workouts that we do. It's like you're bowling that bowling ball, and that leg is behind you, weight in the front heel, tap it up. From here, we sink into supported bowler. So it's a much deeper lunge with that leg directly behind you, but you're twisting up. Now, options here, you can drop your knee if you need more support. You can keep this arm down if that's too much. Lots of options down here in supported bowler. Now, when we stand up, you're going to want to have your hand on your leg so that you've got that extra support, and it's going to be a big press to the heel to get back up. And from here, we're going to step out into a wide sumo, 3 little pulses, and then we lift this back leg up with a bent knee. Imagine you're a dog, and you're on a fire hydrant. Do you need visualization? I can help you with that. 3 little pulses, and then you lift, okay? And you're working the outer part of the booty right there. Chest stays up, core stays tight, and it's that you can flex the foot Bend the knee. It's already burning. Hey, let's try it. We're going to go through the right side and the left side one time each. We'll do a Piyo push-up, a couple sets of Piyo push-ups in there. And then if you want to go through it a couple more times, you can, and you should. All right, I'm going to turn the music up for us because we like the music loud in my classes. I'll put it up pretty loud for us today, but I will tell you that in class, I turned it up even louder. Okay, so we're going to do a 10. Okay, music at a 10.8. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to start the song over for us. You're going to head to the back of your mat. We're going to do those Piyo push-ups to start. Remember, they're fast. Okay.
What you gonna do?
Sorry, I missed the beat. Let me get back to my song. We had some tech problems this morning, and so I'm a little off my game. Tech problems are no fun, but they do happen. All right, so you're at the back of your mat. We're going to do that fast roll down, the fast walk out, 3 push-ups, and come back. You ready? We can do this. Here we go. Roll it down. Go. Roll. Now walk it out. Now 3 push-ups. 3. Knees or toes. 1 more. Now walk it back. Roll it up. Now give me 1 squat. Bam. Do that again. Roll. Walk it out. 3 push-ups. 3. They can be little. They can be triceps. 1 more. Walk back. Roll up. Hey, right foot forward. Let's fly. Here we go. Now right, left arms. Again. So it sinks. Arms up. You can lift up right there if you need the break. 1 more. Now supported bowler. Not supported bowler. Regular bowler. 3 little taps. Tap it out. Okay, pick your level. You can stay up. Or you can go low. Whatever you choose, you're still vertical. Now we have supported bowler. Take your time. Sink all the way down. Your hand comes down to support you. You can drop the knee if you want, or you can keep it up. You can have a twist or not. Hey, hand on your knee. Stand up. Now sumo, 3 little pulses. 3, 2. Now here's that fire hydrant lift. Again. Lift it up. 2 more. 1 more. Woo! Hey, foot down. Let's switch sides. Take your time. We're going to get the left foot in position. We'll try the other side. Same exact move. And then we'll end with some Piyo push-ups. Same moves, other side. Left leg forward. We're going to down to that strong flight position. Arms down. Here we go. Now left, right arms. Lift it up. Again, sink down. 2 more. 1 more. Then we have that bowler, easy bowler. 3 little taps in the back. Then we tap it up. Give him that leg a break. Take your level. Stay high or go low. 1 more. Now we're going to go right down to that supported bowler. Take your time. Sink down. Arm comes down to support yourself. Twisting up to the sky. Drop the knee if you want. Feels good. Stand on your knee. Stand up. Triple sumo. Go. 3, 2. Now the fire hydrant lift. Again. 3, 2, 1. I feel like I should come up with a different visualization than that. Hey, let's end with Piyo push-ups. Back it up. We're going to do 1 more set. 1 more set. And then you can repeat this as many times as you want. I want to know how many times you do it. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to roll it down. Roll right here. Go. Roll. Walk it out. 3 push-ups. 3. You can be shallow here. 2. 1 more. Walk back. Roll it up. 1 squat. Bam. Do it again. Roll. Walk it out. 3 push-ups. You can be on your knees here. 1 more. Walk it back. Roll it up. Woo! Dance it out. Dance it out. Hey, he said dance. Are you dancing? That's it. Now in our regular full body section, we would repeat that a few times, but we go through the same moves essentially over and over. So you get to know them really well. Okay, you guys, how did did you do? How did you do? You get a sticker when you come to my class every single day. This was our sticker today because it's Monday, and this is how I feel on a Monday. I feel dressed up in my superhero outfit, ready to do everything, but I feel like he feels. Until I do my workout, then I feel good. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed day 6. Post your pictures in the group. Remember, the group is posted somewhere around this post. Make sure you're in all the groups. Make sure you've done all the challenges. Feel free to share this challenge with somebody. Reach out at any time you have questions about my classes or you want to join a full class right away, you guys. They're so fun. They're so fun. Also, if you are on Instagram and you're doing tags or posts or videos, please tag me. I love seeing people doing the workouts, and I love resharing them. So if you're on Instagram, find me, tag me. Love it. I think that's it, you guys. Day 6 done. Awesome. Tomorrow we'll do day 7, and then we're just going to be, again, daily challenge Monday through Friday through the rest of the month. And at the end of the month, you're going to be ready to rock. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye.